Razzaq YT production.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's good? It's Razzaq here, and I'm back with another video. And hey man, it's been a little minute since I've been on the camera, I will admit to it. Not that I've been slacking though. Don't get it wrong, I've not been slacking. As y'all can see, I'm back in my dorm room and I have been on my grind with all my schoolwork. And that's not an excuse and that's not me saying I'm finna slow down on the uploads or nothing. What I am telling y'all is that I took a little bitty break just to get my schoolwork, you know, the nice foundation set first off. But y'all don't want to hear about that shit, I already know. Today's video is going to be my 1 year dreadlock anniversary. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, man. I've had these locks on my head for 1 whole year, 365 days. It's actually the day before my anniversary, but I mean, not much is gonna change overnight. So I decided to do that right now and put it out on the day of my 1 year anniversary. Psych! This is what we looking like. Let me give y'all a little 360 right now. Front, side, back, and the other side. But yeah. Alright y'all, my bad for that. But like I was telling y'all, it's been my 1 year anniversary and I've had these 2 strand twist locks on my head for exactly 1 year now. And it's been an incredible journey. And a lot of the times now that I'm like a little further ahead of my journey, it's only been a year, but I be wishing that it was back in those times when I was waiting for it to lock up. Cause looking back on it, you be hearing a lot of people say that those are the best times, but now that I can speak from experience, those really are the best times. So if you're in those starter lock phases right now, just cherish it. And I know a lot of y'all starting y'all's journeys, all y'all been DMing me, and thank all of you DMing me. I got a couple people to show right now, I'll put them on the screen right now. And thank y'all for just DMing me, talking to me. My ats or whatever, probably somewhere on the screen right now on one of these sides. So go ahead and follow me, DM me, you know, I might follow back, I might DM back, I always DM back. Go ahead and hit me up. So let's get into what a lot of y'all want to know. A lot of y'all want to know how long it took for my dreads to lock up. And I'll tell you, that's a fair question. Because honestly speaking, a lot of people say locking up when they mean different things. But really locking up is like when it's super duper, I don't know how to describe it. You will know when your dreads are locked up. This whole thing's locked up. This is not locked up. It's all puffy. So a lot of the times whenever your dreads are like shorter, they're never gonna be like fully locked up all the way ever. So you're always gonna get that frizz at the bottom. A lot of y'all ask about that. There's nothing wrong with having some of that frizz at the bottom. I got that on some of mine. I do that on purpose sometimes. I kind of like the way it looks, so I'll just twist it. It doesn't really matter. And a lot of y'all ask me about that, and honestly speaking, you just gotta be able to go through that and know that it's part of the journey. And really, my G, you can't beat it. Hey, I got some secrets for y'all. I got a little video up above somewhere right now about how to beat the ugly stage. Y'all go ahead and watch that. I don't know, 1 year, 2 bleach jobs, 1 professional retwist, and we're here. I'm gonna have to put some pictures on the screen or something from when I first started it, and just to like show y'all maybe side by side or some shit like that. But I don't know, it's crazy that I got this far. I never really thought that I would keep them for this long, honestly speaking. Just cause every time I tried to start dreads before, I'd stop them before they really locked up. And if y'all are like that and y'all are doing that right now, just let it go, bro. Go through the ugly stage. I know a lot of y'all are scared to go through it. A lot of my friends, I just got them to get some locks because they were scared of the ugly stage. Shout out to my nigga Sid. But y'all go ahead and just fight through it, bro. I know a lot of y'all might have some questions. So if you do have questions, DM them to me, comment them down below, and I'll make a 1 year anniversary Q&A video so that y'all can talk to me and ask me any questions that you guys really have. And I really just want to thank you guys again for getting me to 1,000 subs. Like, that's crazy. 1,000 subs, that's like 1,000 fans watching my videos. And I don't even be doing nothing special, bro. I just be getting out here talking to y'all. Cause really, I just be telling y'all like family, cause that's what y'all are to me. 1,000 people, 1,000, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's insane. But honestly speaking, I don't want to keep rambling on, cause honestly speaking, that's what I've been doing this whole video. But thank you guys for the subs. Y'all keep DMing me, y'all keep talking to me. This has been Razzaq. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Hold up. Kush packs and the rubber bands with my starter kit.
gunshots at your mama house, cause you started it. Niggas taking every damn thing if they ordered it. You front the packs and we don't call you back, then it's over with. Kush packs.